I'm gonna be traveling soon. Like the far away kind. And everything I need to know, gather, pack, and collect, pay attention to, seems to be all spread out everywhere. It's driving me nuts. I'm gonna wrangle this. I'm gonna create a new space. Let's give it a name and get the plane emoji in here. And let's roll. First up is a visa document. I need to download that and put it in the space. Next up, it's a boarding pass. It's downloaded, so let's go. Then I have this work doc. I'll add that quickly. And while those upload, I'm going to open this space on new.space for iPhone. Just scan the QR code and we're immediately in. This space is important to me, so I'm going to pin it to the top. I collected this other document I need in my Today space a few days ago. Let's move that here. Back in the travel space, let's add a few more things I need to share. I have a pack list over here, but it isn't shared, so I'm going to export it as text and add it to the space so my partner and I can both see it. I got sent the link of where we're staying our first few nights, and I'm going to add that to the space. Okay, last thing I need to do is to share this with my partner, and I think we're good to go. About a minute ago, my head was spinning. I felt for sure like I would misplace, lose, forget any of the documents or information I was going to need in the moment. But now it's just there in the space, shared and organized, and all I have to do is focus on my trip. Oh yeah, one more thing. We'll be rolling out access to the new.space for iOS beta to members of our Substack community at shareup.world. If you go there and subscribe, we'll let you know the moment it's available. New.space for web, though, is an open beta. You can use it right now, just head to new.space. The beta part means that we're still trying to learn about how to deliver the best product possible. So if you got feature ideas or something you want to see improved or you've run into a nasty bug, let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear about it. Till next time, happy sharing.